We'll guide you through how to block spam calls on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really inconvenient because these calls will come through and they can come and disturb you, as you may think there's some type of important call when in reality they're not, they're just a spam call. So we're going to guide you through how you can block them so you're not disturbed. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So to get started, come to the bottom and go and find the phone app and tap on it to open it up. Then you want to come to the bottom left and come to the keypad. Then what you need to do is you can come to the top right and find the option for the three dots, and you can go and tap there. And then what you want to do is come down these different options and find the option for settings, and you can go and tap there like so. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for block numbers at the top, and you want to go and find block spam and scam calls. You can tap there. So what you can do is go and switch this on, and we've got a service here. So you can then switch on block spam scam calls, and you could do block all or only block high risk and press back. You could also go and block calls from unknown numbers if you find there a lot of spam as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.